In this video, we are demonstrating a decoating furnace processing shredded aluminum cans. Please note that this is a factory test run, so the outer protective casing has not been installed yet. The core working system, however, is fully operational. The material used in this test is pre-shredded aluminum can scrap. In aluminum can recycling, the paint and coating on the surface must be removed before smelting. If the coating is not properly treated, it can affect melting efficiency and reduce final aluminum quality. The decoating furnace is designed to thermally remove organic coatings from shredded aluminum scrap in a controlled and continuous process. As you can see, the equipment shown here is in test configuration, and the external housing has not yet been installed. In the final delivery version, the furnace body will be fully enclosed. Thermal insulation will be enhanced, and the overall appearance will be more integrated. This test focuses on verifying the core thermal performance and material handling stability of the system. After passing through the decoating furnace, the aluminum scrap shows cleaner metal surfaces with coatings effectively removed. For aluminum recyclers, proper decoating is an important step to improve overall processing efficiency. This decoating furnace is suitable for processing shredded aluminum cans and other coated aluminum materials. For capacity details, configuration options, or project discussions, feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next industrial test video.